Hello, welcome back. You are watching in our program Educational Programming Language. I want to talk about Newton's laws of motion. Newton is the SI unit of force. Of course, we have learned the physics in grade 7, but in grade 9 you must learn, since we have the competencies and their functions. Why we are learning a force in physics? It includes a gravitational attractions. It includes also with the uniformly accelerated motion. When we use a force, it is a push or a pull which is exerted on a body, and this is a type of motion in physics. If we check, we know there is a force with the weight and there is a gravity. We can check their to comparison. Let's compare and let's contrast the difference between weight and gravity. Gravity of the Earth is containing 9.81 meter per second square, and the gravity of the Moon include around 1.6 meter per second square. If we have to express the gravity of the Earth is greater than gravity of the Moon, when we check to the real weightlessness is 0, because when we go to the weightlessness, we can check here if the constant contact force must be 700 Newton, and the net force will be 0 if the weight 700. If the contact force is become 900 Newton and the net force is become 200, the weight must be 700 Newton. But if the contact force is 500 Newton and the net force must be 200 Newton and the weight becomes 700. But if the contact force is 0 Newton and the weight become 700 and the net force will become 700 Newton. There is a notice. If the contact force is 0, you would be apparent or real or true weightlessness. So this is one of the following which can be telling you. And the two forces acting if they are same direction in the opposite direction. For the 4 kilogram, there is a 20 Newton and 10 Newton. In the same direction must be added. F which is equals to ma, 3 Newton which is equal to 4 kilogram times acceleration, and the acceleration will become 7.5 meter per second square. If there are opposite direction, it must subtract 50 minus 30 which is equal to 20 Newton, and the mass times acceleration, and the acceleration will become 10 meter per second square. Calculate the resultant force and compute the acceleration with the following equations which can be used.